Hello everyone, welcome to my another video. So today I am going to show you how to purchase a Hostinger package with discount. So let's get started. Have a look at the URL. Basically this is my referral URL, and if you purchase the Hostinger package following this URL, you are going to get an extra 20% discount. So let's go with this URL. Yeah, we are on the Hostinger page, and here you have the option to claim deal. If you click on the claim deal, we will be redirected to the pricing package section, and here are three types of packages: premium, business, and cloud startup. And you can check the enlisted items they are providing with every packages. If you want me to suggest you, I would suggest you the business package. This is the standard package, and with this package you can create up to 50 websites, and you have the 50 GB of spaces. Moreover, it's using the NVMe storage, which is much faster than SSD. And another thing is that in this package we have the daily backup system. So by any chance, if we lose any of our website data, or our website is broken, or if we face any issues with the website, we can easily take backup from the Hostinger cPanel. So let's suppose we are going to purchase the business plan. So click on the choose plan. Yeah, so we are on the cart page, and have a look. If we choose the 48 months period, then you are going to get free domain for 1 year and 2 months of free hosting. Then you are going to get 50 months of package. So if you choose 1 month, you are not going to get any discount here, and you are not going to get any free domain. If you choose the 12 months, you will get the free domain only, and you will get the 20% discount. If we will choose the 12 months, then we will get the free domain and the 20% discount as well. And finally, if you choose the 48 months, you are going to get the free domain as well as the 2 months of free hosting. So have a look here, the 20% discount. Let's continue. So here, to proceed, we will have to sign up. Remember one thing, that if you already have any Hostinger account, don't use that, because if you use that old account, you are not going to get the discounts. So use a new one. You can sign it up with Google account or your GitHub account, or you can also sign up with any of your email address. You can use your business email address also. Let me use one to show you. Please remember the email address and password to log in to Hostinger later. Let's click on register. Finally, we are on the billing and payment page. Let's fill this up. I am just submitting the demo data to show you. Finally, we have the option to make payment, and here have a look at the available payment methods. You can use your card, use your PayPal account, Google Pay, Apple Pay, etc. I am not going to purchase it because I already have this package. So just make the payment, and you will be redirected to your Hostinger Ace panel, and after then you can easily set up your domain, you can easily set up your website. Please let me know if you face any issues during the purchasing. I would love to assist you, or if you want me to join a short meeting to show you, I can do that as well. So in my next video, I'll show you how we can set up a website on Hostinger. That's all for today. Thank you.